Hi, I'm Shannon Gregoire, and this is Vet Candy. This show is brought to you by Merck Animal Health. There is a saying that you can't teach old dogs new tricks. When it comes to canine behavioral problems, age is only one factor that can predict how well a pet may respond to clinical intervention. In a paper published in Frontiers in Veterinary Science, researchers provide the first evidence on the importance of not just a dog's age, sex, and size on treatment success, but the owner's personality and the kind of bond that human and animal share. The study analyzed the physiological and psychological characteristics of 131 dog owner pairs who attended a veterinary behavioral service over a 6-month period. The statistical results were based on a behavioral assessment questionnaire that was given at the beginning, middle, and end of the research program, along with other baseline assessments. Data collected included various types of aggression behavior, signs of separation anxiety, and the animal's energy and excitability levels. The team at the University of Pennsylvania's School of Veterinary Medicine found that while dogs that showed the most improvement were those that started with the least desirable behaviors, such as being overly aggressive or excitable, other results were counterintuitive. For example, canines with owners who considered themselves conscientious did not show significant behavioral improvement compared to others. There could be at least a couple explanations for these conflicting results, according to Powell. Conscientious dog owners in this current study, for instance, may have already exhausted the limits of reducing undesirable behaviors like a dog's aggression toward strangers. Identifying the factors that predict success or failure in correcting canine behavioral problems may help veterinarians provide better guidance to owners in the future. For example, the study revealed a negative relationship between introverted owners and fearful dogs in terms of treatment outcomes. In such cases, a veterinarian could use that information to explain to the pet owner why the dog needs to choose when it wants to interact or be left alone. One reason why veterinary scientists are interested in improving behavioral outcomes is that research has consistently shown that poor canine behavior is the leading cause of pet abandonment. An estimated 3.3 million dogs end up in animal shelters in the United States each year, and about 670,000 are euthanized. While the Penn Vet team has no immediate plans for follow-up studies, Powell said it would be valuable to investigate why so many problem behaviors did not appear to respond to treatment. And now for some great tips.
Hi, my name is Melissa Evans. I'm a licensed veterinary technician and a veterinary technician specialist in emergency and critical care. And I'm going to give you 3 tips for talking to your clients about their diabetic pets. First, let them know that you're there for them. Diabetes is a tough diagnosis, and the first month can be very stressful to the pet owner. Giving them the support they need can help them get through the transition. Next, make sure that the pet owner is clear on what to monitor for and what to do in case of emergencies. Provide them with instructions that they can either read, watch, or listen to after they leave your clinic. And last, don't forget to follow up with them a few days later, a week later, even a month later. Touching base with them shows that you and your team care about the health of their pet. For more helpful advice, follow me on Instagram.
Tatiana Rogers is a fresh new face in the world of veterinary medicine. She recently completed her business school and received her Master's of Business Administration through Colorado State University's dual degree program and is now working toward becoming a veterinarian from the same university. She is entering her junior year as a veterinary student at CSU and is passionate about bringing real change to veterinary medicine. Tatyana hopes to improve the mental health of vet students through combating mental health problems in the veterinary world and by encouraging vet students to strike a healthy balance between school and their personal lives. She models this on her Instagram page, showing that a life in veterinary medicine can be balanced with other interests, and in her case, fitness, enjoying the great outdoors, and a generally healthy lifestyle. On top of a balanced lifestyle, she is also an advocate for women in medicine and has spoken out against gender inequities. Tatyana's interest in veterinary medicine began at an early age. Raised by a single mother and her grandparents, Tatyana spent younger days looking for ways to help injured wildlife and stray animals that crossed her path. She completed her undergraduate studies at University of San Diego, where she pioneered a student organization called Student Outreach and Recruitment. This organization, now multi-collegiate in size, increases awareness of private college opportunities for underrepresented students. This program also helps to provide resources to minorities in order to help improve retention of students, helping more minorities successfully achieve their degrees. Her role in helping with mental health has also been used to specifically help minorities cope in veterinary medicine. She has shared mental health tips with the Latinx vet med community through Instagram and continues to support the community in any way she can. As the grandchild of Mexican immigrants, she has helped blaze a path for others who want to join veterinary medicine without falling into depression often associated with those in care fields. Her path has been very non-traditional, with a major in communication studies and 3 gap years completing prerequisites and obtaining veterinary experience in order to apply to veterinary school. She is now living her dream as a veterinary student and is focused on her future as a veterinary entrepreneur. The world of veterinary medicine will no doubt benefit from having her join the ranks of veterinary professionals, but it's already changing for the better thanks to her. Thank you for watching Vet Candy. To stay up to date with everything vet med, follow us at My Vet Candy.